to kilometers in Celsius. It's 12 degrees Celsius for all you international folks. And I'm gonna head back now. I'll figure that out later. I don't know how the heck I did that, but we have had so much rain. Oh my God. There is a river out behind my apartment complex. It is freaking crazy. Holy moly. No riding today. Oh, good morning everybody. This is Dana with DC Ungelled. Welcome back to the channel. It is a glorious, glorious morning. After yesterday's monsoon, dropped almost 4 inches of rain yesterday. So today, on this glorious morning, it's going to be almost 60 degrees today. And as usual, I cannot pass up a day of riding. But I have an extra incentive today. I am heading off to Guthrie, Kentucky, because I found a second GoPro Hero 8 for my handlebars. I am tired of constantly switching my GoPro back and forth to get shots of me riding and stuff like that, and different shots. So on my quest to get all my gear for my trip and going to find a second GoPro. Today I'm going to look at one and probably buy it. I think this guy that's selling it he upgraded to the 9, which I have no interest in getting. I just bought the 8 this past year, so I'm going to continue with the 8. And my goal is to get 3 GoPros total, 2 of them positioned on my bike at all times and 1 on my helmet, so I can give as many angles and as much footage as possible for your pleasure. Please consider liking this video and subscribing and all that usual stuff. Please sit back and enjoy. Made it here to Guthrie, Kentucky at the Food Giant. I'm just waiting for the guy to show up and I will be purchasing my new GoPro, hopefully. We'll see if he shows. He said he's on his way. Alright guys, I got my new GoPro, so I can now do both at the same time. I am so excited. See how it works. Alrighty, here we go. I adjusted my clock and now my air temperature and everything went into metric to kilometers in Celsius. It's 12 degrees Celsius for all you international folks. And I'm gonna head back now. I'll figure that out later. I don't know how the heck I did that, but we are going to head home. There's the old pink elephant. I think I took a picture with that elephant one day a while back. It was a really nice ride down here today. A little chillier than I expected. Hello everybody! Yeah! So now I have 2 GoPros, 7 batteries. Take some more angle shots. Well, everybody, that is going to be the end of my video. Unfortunately, the ending I recorded did not record, so I apologize for that. And but I do hope that you liked this video. I know it wasn't that exciting, you know, but showed you my new GoPro, showed you some angles. I look forward to traveling very soon in the future. I'm going to be taking a lot of spring rides and getting ready for my big trip this year. So hope you like this video. Subscribe if you're new here. Please come along. I will see you in the next video.